Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. See, I call you
afishiapa afisisi bre na yegidi se ye nyina ye wonkwam ahoden wo ho nhyira wo ho na yesan hie mu na ye di edwumedie se ne ye no de bia na ye de bremo mesa mama afishiapa biem esa mama kwaba eba BWF Solicitors legal hours so ene ebeda otwede ampo ase na domara kwa wamaye nkwa wamaye ahoden wamaye ahofe soronko na yemfa edwumedie embremo na afiwe insema ewo ho no de yie dodo na eko 31st ka penshira a omo de betu anamu 2023 anamu no na yenso ebeka se yenso yakobi ama ensempa nyankopon de hyira yen this year yenso ye de bebremo ntitiefo mesre mo ni die mo obaso a wonkwa enchemfa bomodia na chiche na obia nsa enkebi mediane manyeti na medi edwumen mu chiame na enemi wo mi lawyer penin baako na ketwa baako nanso no omo nyina enimdie no esipi esita enti no enche bia metum nsa afromo na omo abeka ye ho na mmom metwa me ho sima me ba na de dwumedie no ahyase ma mo nkọ bia mo nhye emame me ba sisia.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road at Seven Sisters in North London, N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to Seven Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.
Yo, Mesai Amamunyina Akwaba, a very special welcome to you all. Happy New Year to all those lovers out there. We are grateful today, and so say Nyame Amayen Kwa na yemfa dwumedi embremo. Mediane manyeti, u join me a mesre se bomode ana share. Na nea wo mu se mo amunim BWF Solicitors se wo hwehwe mo kira kwa mo hwe advert na bibia omowo edwuma a omoye dodo na ana obi to make us say oh mate omonka na na menim say omoye Ghana for omonye Ghana for BWF Solicitors ebushia no omo kase bia ope bia nti we Ghana ni nkwa not just for Ghanaians, it's for the community. So whichever language you speak, whichever West African or African country are coming from, they are there for you. Join us, join this program na nyanimdie na ye yenko yenim. Ene no eye me da nkasa me kasa eye me da minim ne ntira because adom ne nti me ka kyerɛkyerɛfo bi ho na ye ka o kyerɛkyerɛ na kyerɛ sɛ teacher na wo teacher nso de a sɛ onua bi ho kyerɛ na wopɛ sɛ woboa because ya nim sɛ nkrom teachers de yes omo ne hiafo mo fa nkyɛ me o nkrofo na ɛka sɛ teachers de mo yɛ hiafo na mmom entisa krom ha no wo kyerɛkyerɛfo a kyerɛ sɛ ye ka ne sɛ enunyam ɛwɔ wo so kakra ɛne ɛmɛka no kra na kyerɛ mo enti no aban de nhyehyɛ bɛto hɔ no me nsan kwan ne ofufuo no ho mema ye lawyer no aba bɛkyerɛkyerɛ mu kakra nti wo teacher ni a bɔmmɔden a wonim teacher bi a bɔmmɔden na pia program no chima no hyɛ na ohun sɛ yɛbɛka teacherfoɔ nso asɛm ɛnɛ wɔ ha afei nso no skill worker route no eguso a na yenim sɛ nka afi we de ye ma ya afi baako nka etwam nanso emframa no ye hwe mframa no mu a etumi ho sɛ ye nya ntwemu ɛna nso ye bɛka ho asɛm na ne ye me de ne sɛ ɛyɛ na nsɛm bebree ebisebisa o ye nkrofo application ma ɔmo na ɔmo bisa questions ne ade nti ɛnɛ sɛ wo hwɛ yɛn topic e de abeto hɔ na ye ba bɛka ɛho nsɛm kakra eguso a ɛwɔ so a ɛkɔ na kyerɛ sɛ aban no onya ntwemu ɔde bi kra ɛba abɛka ho saa na egidie embia na enwem asesa nanso saa na me de me gidie sɛ onya ntwemu mesrew enidie mu bɔmmɔden na share program no kɔ Facebook na hwehwɛ BWF Solicitors live wobɛhu yɛn wɔ hɔ saa nso na wokɔ BW radio nso a yɛtwa egu wɔ hɔnom wokɔ Facebook YouTube nso a yɛsan ɛwɔ hɔnom ɛno aso wɛbɔ BWF Solicitors live wobɛhu sɛ yɛwɔ hɔnom na webɔ mmɔden na wahyɛ na nsɛmpa deɛ nipa baako ɛnkyɛ ɛmfa mebɛfrɛ me lawyer ɛnɛ me ne be abɛdi adwuma ɛyɛ lawyer Patrick yɛba no nsɛm lawyer mu nsɛm anaa yɛka immigration nsɛm litigation mitigation nsɛm family law anaasɛ neɛ wɔ he yɛnkuro Ghana law koraa wabe mu yie because BWF Solicitors for deɛ momiɛnka ɔmo didem ɔmo ntim ɔmo didem na mma me mbɔ maba so kakra ma yɛ adeɛ nti BWF Solicitors meba bɛfrɛ mbɛma lawyer Patrick Akwaba na ɔmfa yɛ nhyɛ dwumadie no ase lawyer Patrick mpakyɛm na wafihyia pa
afi nkɔbɛto yɛ manyɛ afi sɛbrɛ na yɛnyinaa yɛda so ɛte ase wɔ nkwa mu ɛne ahoɔden paa na biribiara sɛbe yɛakoma so ɛda so biara no nyame soso ɛtumi ayɛ ama yɛma atiefoɔ nyinaa soso afihyia pa yɛda wɔn ase sɛ afi atwa mu no ɔmo ne yɛn ɛna tena ase ɛdi dwuma ɛyɛ biribiara afi soso yɛgye di sɛ ɔmo ne yɛn bɛtɔ so akɔ so na ɔmo soso a nyame yɛ adom ɔmo winning awards ne nyinaa so yɛma ɔmo congratulations because ɔmo ayɛ adeɛ momfa ma so nto fam na adesua no momfa mo ho nhyɛm because ebia na afi ne bɛkɔ na wie yɛ biom na nyame yɛ adom a awards no foforɔ aba ebi wɔ hɔ a na emu koraa betumi ayɛ dɛ asene deɛ last year ɛbaeɛ no nti momma yɛni nkɔ adesua no ho ɛboa nti ɔmo mo wini nyinaa Mr. Foster ɛne nkrɔfo no nyinaa mo nyinaa congratulations na mmom so ɔkɔ Ghana na ayɛ ɔnkae me manyɛ
Prices in there. So, Ghana. Ya no akaye. Twa we no man no akaye. Why? Na ya ne ma. Utumi Eunice. Yo, ye be koye ne metiefo na hwefo me sama makwa ba biom. Ye wo BWF Solicitors legal hours so ye kyerɛkyerɛ emra, ye dimra, ekamra. Ye nante mremu enti so wo how bi e wo immigration sem ye nim se dodo na immigration sem eyo mo problem and I say family law ene family law bi di asem bi betu me nim na ya ma rehopa na say we the family law a clear cut enti ensu endi abobo ene ye beka ho asem sanso na ye koye nkrom law nso a omo ye ho ade papa na je say senior wote bia wo pese oba abroche wo visitors visa kwan paso a wo fa weni beje a wo benya wo visa no asem wa be hu BWF Solicitors omodo community no enti community na no mutume eye adwuma edema uka ho de a na kire se omo ye adwuma ede ama. Yo, Lawyer Patrick, ya titi nsam ya beko yen topic ne so. Na ansa na ya beko yen topic ne so. Mesre enimdiem, ya titi nsam, you see good news this year, dear good news good news Enti mesre good news na eba na bia ya sumo kikayen. Niyan, ya titi wo baby na mum. Yenim say lawyers no mo na mo kan na kire ye no kre because atisem de ya na wanhwa wakoti bibibone na wo di tubra na se pie free mumwenum de sabide a na kire se na eye nokre mo de mo mfa atesem mo a mo kohu mo de mo ani kohwe na mo ehu nokre wom ansa na mo abeboy amane enti sana meka se good news nsempa no Lawyer Patrick boye mo kakra na yenhwe say amfa a good news ana.
Okay, great, Manye. So, yes, you see, afifu from what you say, na eniyama bebre etumi sesa. Sana immigration system no so no. Afibia dua aya omoye insahye kakra. Usually you say fees no na ya eta ehihim kakra bi wa na ekosro. Last year you say oman sheda anyiri mu dendenden sa na emom omuma enema mu eye soft ma fees ni bi kra ho a omotete so. But one important thing eba app February a teacher for afei UK aban ayen hyehyɛ sɛ opese omakwan na obie adwumanum ma a teacher for ɛwɔ amanone oman training wo UK no betimi enya kwan na omaba UK aba bekyra de eno ne ade a aba beka sabre immigrations nsensem no ho nti free February ekono se uye teacher ni now se ukohwe a enya ade a obetimi apply so don't do it but from 1st of February ena ebehya ase nti se uye teacher ni uye qualified teacher ewo Ghana wo kyra de wo experience na opese obekra de wo UK a te se ne wo ye health and care visa and I said the other tier 2 visa routes no edi aba UK no sa pepepe na etie obetimi apply na wanya de friend no qualified teacher status no eno no obetimi aye no online like I said no ye mien to ho at the moment nti se wo online se wo koye sa de na ebeka se umiti nti wuntimi nye but from 1st of February no ombe bie sai kwan ne de ato na oye qualified teacher yes ubetimi enya sponsorship nti obi a anase school a omo sponsorship license so ubetimi recruit teachers from outside the UK e de abaha no ubetimi go through sa process no na unya sponsorship na wa apply na wa ba be kira de e wa ha no now QTS no you can be exempted from it so we checheni for 4 years e wa ha. However, your advantages be a sa QTS no ma. Na QTS no abodin a ye dema a teacher fo a oma ko intitiemu ewo UK. Ti se okọ teacher intitiemu wo UK a uwi a sa ade no na ye dema. Nti most of the English state maintained schools no aya na omo require sa ade no se be ya ombetimi ehu sampa woyɛ teacher ni a wodim usipi usita nti ɛno no boa for recruitment ɛno no so boa ma yehu sampa sɛ woyɛ obi a wo nimdeɛ a ɛkɔ akyi sɛ wobɛtumi akyerɛ adeɛ nti yes sɛ unsa tumi ka ɛno no bia ɛbɛboa ebe boost wo application no ebe boost wo chances of getting adwuma no nti ehu behia sɛ wobɛtumi aya wobɛyɛ bi but sɛ wontumi nya it is not fatal still wobɛtumi ahwehwɛ adwuma no na wonya kwan na oba yes wobɛtumi ayɛ adwuma no for 4 years and through that no you'll be exempted from SAR QTS no so manye that is what is coming up on the 1st of February in a nutshell so bibia set it up na yɛhyɛ ase na omo rolling it out I'm sure so we will take time and come and dedicate a program towards that na yɛahyehyɛ ye na ɛho nhyehyɛ wɔ hɔ no nyinaa no yama atiefoɔ ɛho the other thing is the skilled worker care health and care visa route no yɛn nyinaa nim sɛ aban ɛhyɛ aseɛ sɛ nka ɔma yɛn 1 year na yɛde ayɛ saa nneɛma no na yɛahwɛ sɛ ɛbɛtumi aboa yɛ system no with care industry na yes baabi a yɛdu no aban atwa anaasɛ ɔyɛ atwa saa year na wie a ɔyɛ nhyehyɛ so obe review yɛnim deɛ aban ebe review no akɔ however what we know no say there's every possibility say ɛbɛtoa so because already no say wokɔ na wokɔ check on my website now what it tells you is say saa health and care visa na ankasa you can get up to 5 years nti na say saa ban wo tirimupo bi say 1 year obetwa mu a then adenti na ɔyɛ nhyehyɛ sɛ ubenya up to 5 years and also ubetumi anya up to 3 years and then ubetumi renew and then even say unya 5 years next na you may be able to qualify so ubenya indefinite leave to remain nti yewo nsusuye bi sɛ ɛbɛtoa so na aban ye review ni wia ebia nsakyerɛ kakra bi bɛba na unim sɛ UK aban ni UK immigration sɛ mo yɛ nsakyerɛ a ɛtɔda na ebia ɔmahu bebi enti no mpɛ sɛ ɔmo kyinkyim aniema mu na ɔmo ma aniema mu ɛyɛ den kakra bi ɛde ka sɛ ne ɛteɛ no ho enti no ɛno na yɛhyɛ no so however ɔmo yi fee bi every ho a ɛyɛ very important ɛyɛ very exorbitant enti to take away saa fee no ɛyɛ ade a ɛyɛ anigyesɛm so from the 1st of January no bibia your friend no immigration skills charge it's about 1,800 and something depending on how many years course you assign it to sa nipa na all no say of course no defined which means say free outside na all ba and as we kroma na all switch it, but we different categories so we a student you would not be charged sa rate no but other categories no say ho you betimi a charge you including say all switch na ebia ovasa na ewu a nti you betimi a charge eno no omayi every ho from the 1st of January nti no the utua ye the fee to assign the course na eye adwumawura no utua which is about £199 or so no eno na utua but apart from that no there so £1,000+ na omo charge to assign the course no to omo especially omo assign defined course and no year for it's great news, it's good news, and it's encouraging. It tells you say there's every possibility say this is going to carry on. And looking at the care industry in this year, we even need more people to come at the moment because we are still struggling. And ejumano doso but nipa niswa yenim se bebre abade but there's every opportunity this is going to go on for a long time to come. So the advice is take the advantage now. And near ye be a review, no review, no emma, Se wo bibia ye nisisia na ebetimi aboa o se ne be ya se bibi ba na ebia ya yire mu denden a saa time no na wo huri free mu dadada. Timanye, that's the bit that we would say.
Lea Patrick. Nyame nhyira me da se ade na e de se hwe etiefo we de mama me nya hisem kakra wa ha teachers de no ya hwem yi pa na ye besa be ye special program towards that na mmom ɛntena se o na ɛnka sɛ wotwɛn 1st February no ansa na wato ho anamɔ. Enti asɛm no kura na dɛdɛdɛ a mɛka kyerɛ na a wotie me tiefo. KT consult for omo de omo start yi omo background checks dada. Ɛna omo ehu kwan a ye fa so. Na mmom all this skill ade a ye skill worker route ya teachers ba be kan wen. Nye hunu sɛ UK on mau sa invitation and as a visa no abra obrofo kan entwa. Montie mi o. Sɛne etie bia in any aspect of subject area wo kyerɛ subject speciality a wo na sɛ obrofo no entwa ene wotwe mu tan a wonya enti to ho anamo na pe English no ekyira kwan because oya de to ho a ebeboa wo oya English ne to a you have 2 years a wobetumi de aye application enti entwentwan so bomode abehu KT consult for from anase WhatsApp mo e was 075 966 20154 on metre kwan na yenya English no edit ho enye no nkwan so QTS na lawyer Patrick boss for teachers no kwan a ubefa so a ubenya no behu KT consult somewhere because KT consult teachers for nankasa omo obi eno monim kwan a ye fa so a ye di nya enti se wo pe bi dia a ebe qualify wo na se ebe ma advantage over obi kra oni bi kra no mesra obehu yen menkan se woni bia ye ma me se ebe ma advantage ewa obi a oni bi ewo so enti behu KT consult for na ye mboa masema tietia no yo yenko yenime la Patrick ebesa atwe ababiom ene nsema ye ba beka ho no de we are still on the skill worker route ehun hihye ni bi na dodo na yetumi adominant yetumi aboa omom abedu krom ha no before ye be ye no dodo na ebisa nsem bebre even up to now there are a lot of people still asking questions about nhihye no etisen obi to me frame me phone so na ogina so no obisa obewie 45 minutes with time no a trade free mo anso ni say manyeti me na me time na the time is money for me enti no mo ntwembre yen community lawyers na omo ma dedicate omo time say omo di check community mo mbra na mo mbetie nhihya ebi questions a ebi mo ebise bisa no na mo mbetie answers no ewa ha mesre mo share program mo share ma me nenkwa chichichichichi me question na me bisa lawyer Patrick ne say do I need to show sole responsibility to travel with my children on a skilled worker route? Now skilled worker route no ye nyina yete ase lawyer Patrick Rabe kakra na mom say wo de wo ma ene wo kunu e ka wo ho no eya na nneoma nkitinkiti bi wo ho a yesi o se wo ye na ye bisa se emo baako ye wei ana se wo ne wo ma ba e was skill worker route no se wo ye carer se wo be ye teacher ni se wo ye upskill se all the skill worker na workers na eba krom ha no ye bisa se o se ye show sole responsibility ansana ubetumi ne wo ma no aka ho aba ana la pattern patcho masem tiawani nti kyerɛkyerɛ ye mu yetie o.
Okay, great. It's Manye. This is a very important topic to start with the year. And it is so because of what I have said in my submission in the introduction. The reason being, sir, Makase, Home Office for a Baby review, especially in the health and care visa route now, or we introduce you, There's every possibility say ABR, wombe mimia and niemu kakra. And now say ABR, ombesa gumukra me muayemre. We don't know. But you don't need to wait until saa time na whatever decision ombe taken beba answer na waye bibi. It is a nay, say opportunity now. The advice is do it now rather than later. Say the beya, say bibi ena omaye insusuye se omobeye nsachaye wo ho because of bibi a omahunti a then you are able to beat that drastic change, So that is my position on that. Now, nim your friend of sole responsibility because you can't want to be your platform yi and the other platforms no so. Nti nim near ye pa ache. So, especially say your application under UK immigration rules now. The friend of paragraph 297 no. So we sole parent and a wokofa oba e free amanone e aba. Ese se wutimi kyerɛ se papa na anase maame a one ne wo eye saa abofra no ana mmofra no. So da so tiase a. Ese se wo kyerɛ se wo saa nipa na wo UK a wokofa saa abofra no anase mmofra no de aba no. Wo sole responsibility. Anaso se wo na wo tumi a bibia mata ho ewo enkwala ni nyina na se akwala no so. Enti no empempi no aya na yetan ka se esese wo kire se akwala e wo ba ye kra no unu ni di nkomo okohwe no anaso se wo manifi school a okọ no wo ya aware school no kra tumi troll osusu tumi ni school ni edi nkomo na sorry a okọ wo na waye san hihye ni nyina anaso se asori school a okono una ye san hihye no ma yede ne ko school u free Ghana aba no na wo na wo hwe no dada nti u free bae no soso no una wo ye nhihye ba bia esese otena eni nipa esese ogina wanamu na ohwe ne nyina no wo na waye saa nhihye ne nyina ede ato ho ansa na wo ba nti no ye make any decision wa bra wo nka ho. The decision bia ye be make concerning akwala no ni yiedie ne nkanko ene bibia no eye wo na wo ye saa niema no nti se wo be ye application na esese wo kire saa. Now eye very difficult because empempi no home office wo be ka se omo nyintum especially se papa ba kono anase maame ba kono tiasia se ba kono eni ho na sebe we free mu a then you don't have to demonstrate that. So I know you're fine. But so otiase dia then esese wo kire nti empempi no because so otiase ni nti no eya na wantwi kakra wo ye ne home office for ntem because omun susu ye ne say because awofo no baako no etiase na mpo owo kro na akola no wo so no omu susu say ono so ewo eye akola no ehun kitahudie nhihye no oka ho bi. Esese wo na wutimi kire se enye saa netie yenim se case laws bebre ho a edi adanse na ekire kwan a esese home office for assess saa sole responsibility no TD Yemen a leading case. Now emran se yenim se papa baako anase maame ne baako no wo ho a sporadic contact with saa akwala no ne saa awofo baako na owo ho no enkyere se o play role bia won life mo anaso mpo se papa no ko bisa akwala na se keke no enkyere se o play role eno no wo ho no but that's an argument se wo yes our application na ubetimi am making. Yes, home office yeah very very subjective in decision making. Nti no omo hwe no from omani but yen ka se esese ye rational na obi atumi hu se de yede ye decision ni enye obi keke na sebe wabo ni trimopo atenase na all can say. So you need to do that to be able to apply under paragraph 297 under the immigration rules. Even so wahana or indefinite leave to remain and also say 2.5 years as a parent of a British citizen child. Sa application ubetimi aye ama akwalano and answer in kwalano below 18 no ababeka. However, sa big elephant na owo no eye se obetre se o sole responsibility for sa akwalano, especially if the other parent is still alive and especially if they are in the same country as akwalaya ye kano ho asemi. So that is what it is. Now, say ye de ba ye skilled worker na, especially the health and care visa na, ye hu se enya dia sa nhihye no eyiri mu yirikete ma omo amopese omode omo maba no enti no requirement no ai wo ho no pacho ntie manye
1 second, answer na obeko explanation. No? I just want to establish senior what stressful responsibility and pa na Matthias here. Na mpese tie fo amuhwe yen so no. Ne lawyer Patrick can the dead ne nyina ne say so responsibility na just say wo e na akwala no ye ka ne bibia wo hwe no e wo fie wo free ba no na wa na wo hwe no wo bedu anso you are still extending that e hwe no nhihye wo ho a ewo yen krom na ni se nipako obi na ehwe no kra wo na waye san nhihye ni nyina e de ato ho na wo hwe no ewo mu a wo check on akwala no ni school kom wo check ni school ni head teacher ni class teacher oni omo wo evidence e say you've been asking of the child utu school fees all these things and una say wo na we so responsibility lawyer Patrick ato ne boase atretre from Genesis up to now enti se ano ye ko skill worker route ne so say wo so nya sa application we yes application na sa so responsibility no eba honom ana enti misremu momi enti na nya ho nso enimde no lawyer Patrick Mpachoko so sorry.
yes sanity yenim say under 297 no se ne yaka no esese o kire saade no and a very difficult threshold that ubetimi meet and to cross over sa hurdle no a very difficult and you know say what na fi now we bibisa you're very careful because we've seen instances parents now or hano wama parents now or amanone no enye Ghana nko a I've seen a case akola no wo or Nepals or say how baby sa na why application no na ya ma papa na ono wo ho no what throw letter e de aka ho say yes ono papa no ma ho kwan say akwala no emetena ne ma menchen. Now the question is say who sole responsibility for sa akwala ya, then why do you need the other parent to write a letter to give authority say ubetimi de wo akwala na who sole responsibility for sa akwala for ni yidie ne abringing in the bibia no adenti na wo hia the other parents authorization before obefa sa akwala no edina beka ho. So we should be very careful when you listen and you want to sit home and do the DIY now. So making sure say in-depth knowledge of what you are doing, and also say all of the information now here to make such an application because it's very difficult. My advice is say don't do it yourself because you heard the case of Emmanuel. 1972 case the na air can say the fact say obi foforo ewo amanone na ohwa akwala no enkyere say we lose sa so responsibility and answer parental responsibility no because at the end of the day no because say wo amanone wo UK no enye dan anke obi enebewo Ghana obehwe akwala no yiedie on your behalf eno no nkyere say warele nkwese saa oro no e de amani pakro no tu na emomo no ogina wanamu based on all instructions e na ode yesa ogina wanamu na sa akola no be sorry obedidi obeko school baye saa ne mani nyina saa ni pakro no na egina wanamu e de aye nti se nei se nipa ne se ontimi nye saa ne mani biem na emom bra na be fa wo ba na esese yetumi ma ho kwan na utumi kofa akola no ba. Bringing it back to your skilled worker, any your health and care visa route to any dependence. No, yes, say your application now. Ubetimi de woma akaho. There's been instances, many of them are, and kwalana yede womo bano. Yede womo ba with another partner. Womo nye eye san kwalai omo papa anase omo mame. But still, we've seen decisions come through positive. Now, the award say, as I say, what say, number one, what's a nipa ya, or de a year with dependence, ukunu anase o mebe. Number one, uyo bia, when ya sa skilled worker visa nibi, anaasɛ yɛama wo course nti wa apply to a health and care visa company a ɔmo sponsorship ɔmo agye atum sɛ ɔmbɛma wo sponsorship 3 years 4 years 5 years 1 year ɔmo agye atum sɛ ɔmo bɛma wo nti ɔmo ma wo course no yes you can apply by yourself and come to the UK and then o family no betimi abɛjoin no anaso sɛ obetimi apply at the same time with them na oni omu nyinaa aba abomu pɛpɛɛpɛ what you need to show for instance say yewu kunu ana oyire na ode ne ka ho de aba you need to show relationship ti say mu ye obi a maware a ese se utimi hu eye mo marriage certificate ba bi e wona mo de ka ho anaso say mu was civil partnership anaso say mu ye obi a mo ye unmarried partners but mu betimi a demonstrate say at least matna abom for 2 years mu betimi a show say they call ya krum abibiman mu a I think say demonstrating say 2 years may be difficult. Where in Kwala woman, you may have a leeway because ya won akwala no na only mami na wono only papa na wono na akwala na di more than 2 years. Then you can say yes, many mami yatena for more than 2 years. So you can use that to evidence that. However, the American say because say ye krom no your paperwork any sa niema no enhye da enno so ntino. Ayana a very difficult say under Gen 1.2 definition of partner no the unmarried partner bit no you bet me a meet and as you bet me a show no one say obetire with a year wo marriage certificate and as a civil partnership certificate e dia say and pass yes o meet sa a year definition now say uwie enu wie a na ye ba a year enkwala no so enkwala no the esese wo kire ne say again omo ye wo ma whereas ye hu say under 297 no eniema bi wo ho a esese wo de keka ho no wo ye skilled worker route especially the health and care visa route no ye hu say emugo ye nyire mu dendenden so usually say obi ye application under 297 na etodampo a yetimi ka say even though our DNA is not a requirement, no, koye DNA faka ho. Said ebema wasem numu epi ne emu ayeding na okwa etumi ayeye. We do that. It is not to say your birth certificate na ye free Ghana no. We don't respect it. Of course we do because your mind Ghana and share so ne nam any idea issues our birth certificate no. Say a legitimate document. So one kojin won kwanchen dia, then it's a valid document and Home Office cannot deny that document no say evidence of relationship. So yes, you take them to court and challenge them so that they can demonstrate the entire omususu say invalid document. Nanso no omantimi anka was that decision because half of the time no or majority of the time no they will say omunyintu but then omunka say a document a fraudulent and also say okofa no won kwanche nti so far kwan papa so na unya dia then it should be okay what we advise and say ubetimi agege niema bi dia ka ho e de di adanse so relationship with sa akwala no e na ye hwe so ne birth certificate genuine ene yenim se Ghana since 2009 no akwala ya wo mo nyina no ye issue mo with biometric birth certificate and no susu na wohia to go and apply for a biometric passport. Into omo birth certificate old ones ni nyina no. And then no the position is say wo de ko na yesesa na ma meka ya omo pink ones no. O de ko na yesesa na ma na ye ma o biometric one and sana o de your passport no. Half of the time most of the time no Home Office so yeah omo mpesa o mbeji atum but there's always challenger obetimi a challenge you and get over that heading. So that is not a problem. So yes, you show your birth certificate now and then akwala no na wo hwe na yes obetimi agi the school report e de aka ho e de achese ampase e wo na wo hwe no. It is not a lot and it's the most easiest route obetimi afa so e de nkwala no aba ama when sembia ni so responsibility sebe ya yiri mu dindindin under in 297 immigration rules no matter bata hu bebresa so you can do it and that is why it is very important say at the moment now sebe yen yire mu because my instincts can't tell me say we baby they will begin to look at because who say yes a kwanya no ba ye no bebre aba anam sa kwan no so aba so don't wait for them to close sa route no and I say emfa bibi emhemu ememu nye den ansa my preempto I am not saying he said this is what they're going to do but me can say me instance can't tell me say baby they may begin to look at to see say bia bibi wo ho a ombetimi aya na I don't know so don't quote me say me say no I'm only saying say it may be the case say ombe look at sa area no I will say bibi wo ho a ombetimi aya ka ho na again yenim say fee na utua no the immigration fee na nkasa for the application and also so very very reasonable it is a whole year application no, for up to 3 years it's about £247 for each person so you know 3 and more including 5 years now 479 for each person as a so maintenance no sika wo the main applicant nipa na yaman sponsorship or obeye adwuma no ese so kire under the health and care visa route no so and only £1,270 for the main applicant no the husband and also wife na oka ho no ese so kire se wo £285 additional child first child now obeka ho no ese so kire se wo £300 any additional child bi obeka ho bia no £200 and SSL when maintenance are SSL sa sika we nyina no SSL eda account to mu for at least 28 days yemfa say 1 month so you can't ne sa SSL wo bu nkonta ni ye because it's not just in your account so uko yiso kapre within some time na sika no enu sa level no bi na adechi now sa de kotumu a it doesn't meet SSL will start train another 28 days so consecutive as I say sikano demu saa wa bra unko yiye na meet saa requirement no na at the date of application na wo ye no na still oda so meet saa requirement as I say wo ho no ebi wo ho a company na wafa wadwuma no ombetimi aye nhihia aka say ye best certify o maintenance no what does that mean all that it means in say company na afa wadwuma no aye nhihye se beya se uni £1,270 plus the extras for a partner any nkwala na edaw account mu for that period no wo ho a omagye to wo ho se wo be sign se oba for the period na obeba no ye be hwe up to a certain time na afi no oba na obeye adwuma na oho henha wa na watumi wankasa so waye wa won hyehyɛ any baby a wobetena ne saa nema no nti yes ombetimi certify the maintenance for yourself the main applicant and for your dependents as well nti that is possible now say oba obetimi no ma ba said maka no anaso say obetimi aba na ma ba join no ne nyina ensehwe but because review be ebe koso nti no say o opportunity ne na my advice is obetimi ni o ma ba mom said e be ya enko count say omo yes review na again bear in mind say wo krom ha na wo visa enwu ya you can switch to health and care visa route inti em fa say wo ye parent now parent for the other ones no take note of this because this is a very clever way of maybe say wo akwala bi wo Ghana now person wo de ne ba you may be able to explore this so here it is. Ebia o ye parent on a 2.5 years parent route no. Inti wo asitena wo krom ha. And because wo asitena wo krom an inti no, obetimi aswitch to the health and care visa route no. Na ya ma sponsorship. See a ma sponsorship perhaps watena krom ha for more than 1 year. So watena krom ha for more than 1 year, you don't need to show maintenance. So you're okay. Which means that you don't need to show the £1,270 and all of those things. That's okay. So what's now for that long now? Then it's fine. Nti so we switch it to the health and care visa route now. Ye nyina ye nim se emugo edema ye na. Then it means say ubetimi akwa akofa oba na oye below 18 no edenaba on that route.
Okay.
So whereas over 2.5 years so we kofa obanaba under the immigration rules 297 any entry clearance child EC 1.1 no o kofa akola ba nieme bi o say o kire say o so responsibility no because say emu edin the threshold is very high. In fact,
Yeah.
say o ye 2.5 na ye wonko a say show maintenance. K Pakistan and Uvovo sene ya church mu on say we show sa enye awofo no nyina na nkwala ntino mutimi ko adwuma tie bia na osika no kra no enso say enso so a you may not be able to bring sa akwala no, and there's a problem. But then so once switch to the health and care visa route now, the way requirement nitie na emugo ntino, yes ubetimi akọ na akwa akwala na ba wa bra ehun eniema no enhyeda enoso bebresa. Yes, a very very good route. It's open to everybody. Ama your friend is immigration space no at the moment no a bit favorable to yenina because enye EU for nko na ya single omo out to say because of single market ntino ombetimi aba. But when ye nyina na ye bie mu dia man say ye nyina ye betimi afa so aba.
Me am pacho me question person me rebefi.
Pacho yo.
Person na me transfer wanhwa na me missing ya wo kan. Yet ne say parents route there na ka ho de yie pa iti for munti o. O parents route 2.5 years ye de amount. Sisi adom wenya sponsor. India not 2.5. What na so like almost time ne ya so that we try 2 years. Let's take it for instance. Now we kwakonya sponsor ibi na ono mbia wa employ you on a 3-year contract. Washa edwuma ase. Yense nim say kroma o ha say unya 5 years utumi apply for indefinite. Na enti say sa 2.5 yi wetwa unya sponsor nso ama 3 years wetwa emo 5 years npa cho to me gina eno so any o 2.5 ni new sponsor 3 no e de koji indefinite na
Of course.
so until
Pacho koso and I said
anase o say sponsor de no wo say twa new 2 years biom ka ho ansa na wa koji indefinite say o say wo sponsor de no so for 5 years ansa na wa koji indefinite npa cho.
No. So Ishishene say ubetimi a combine with health and care visa no plus other visa when you know put it together and then qualify for indefinite leave to remain. Yes, ubetimi put those pieces together, including even student visa, ABA, or debaya, or switching. You can put all of them together and reach your indefinite leave to remain. So that is very, very good area. Say explore. More students now mobile, no. Bear in mind, say student visa no, it doesn't lead to settlement. It is a student visa for Ghana now ba. Ubedu ha na say ebia unim se school no ko wi a obetena ha. Then esese wo sha ase na wo ye nhihye say obepe kwan a obetimi aswitch because say wo visa no, you don't have to go back to Ghana to apply and come back. Ubetimi aswitch in country, and that is very good. Ubetimi aswitch to the health and care visa no, again ubetimi akofa u dependents ediaba, and all of that no eye bibia emugua esese ye explore. We've been drumming this for about over a year ni since shas no ya ka ho asem bebre the dientia ye ka ho asem bebre no eye because say ye hu ni say eya kwenya esombo a eye perhaps the easiest path to come through at the moment. Ye be ye review and train Emma review no enko ye niema mu ansa na wa apply manye.
Wow, love Patrick. Oh, many are Jones. Yakasa, you know, meant to me, Jay, because it's here for a moon show. And do na ye trap to no. Some me cut to no, what me I say. Oh, God, did 2.5. no was akɔgye to so wentumi an switch to saa baako bi na ɛsi sɛ ɔde sɛn zambra no sɛ hwan neɛ na utumi change na akɔgyina 5 years so instead of 10 years no kyerɛ sɛ wotwitwa tot 2.5 saa until 10 years and so when you're indefinite we were say deɛ na ɛyɛ de sei senka 2.5 no etwa so twentwentwen no akɔpɛ sponsor adwuma nso ɛwɔ hɔ adwuma ne dɔɔso mo pɛ nipa ayɔ na wakɔpɛ bi saa na wama say 2 years or say 3 years mostly ebi mo ma 3 years ebi mo kura ma 5 years wowɔ so a na dada na wetwa no wode aka ho deɛ na ɛyɛ de sei ɛyɛ clear cut Lawyer Patrick we deɛ mo de na me won nsɛm bisa na nsa na mebisa nsɛm so kakra me yakɔ yɛnim no memfa ni die emma dodo na aba platform me remfi mu kra aba platform ne so me mo bibia afihia pa se me sha ase a ye nua ba adai mu nunkum osi good morning family and friends ampa ye juso ye ma afihia pa so yeah ye secretary papa B Sandra Fraser o say good morning beautiful man o kan beautiful ni da wan me tuma me do I say good morning, fellow viewers. Please share when you can. And pap, share as soon as you join. Share. Na nsem na more de ye, more de sanso na michia minia adele ewo catering. Michia papa. Dokas Adom so say good morning, Lawyer Patrick Emmanuel na. See minia ba. Me so me mama official pan so Kevin Asamoah say good morning, Manuel Lawyer Patrick. Great to see you all back. Happy blissful new year. Kevin, that's it. Kevin, prize now, no, I know I bring me be why. Me pay 10% pay home. Nana Bob also say yes. Good morning, Manye, Nate, and Lawyer Patrick. Congratulations for being ushered into the new year. I am pa inshra any year soon any enquam. Nyame inshra foster yay. Papa no. Pacho okwa but modern na beje me share pocket mo. Na ne me nkotwa 2 weeks no na ne me mbra why. I say Happy New Year, Lawyer Patrick and all BWF Solicitors and everyone. Eric Autry, I say good morning, everyone. Any. But Modiana friend, maybe our question why. Nana Ajim Mines, class prefect, we drew her that or see Gina or this or board register no. Or say Mombo Modiana won't share. Tiliduma or he and no pay until unka. Afi moment ye honka na ehia papa. Or say share free legal advice. Dr. Tina Rice Sachs. This is a good morning, royal family. Cadets, fear, or say, is it Firon? Firon, okay, I believe I've pronounced your name correctly. Or see, our question to ask, but I'll come to your question in a minute. Gloria in Japan, have you have hope? Always have hope when I hear from you guys. Oh, Gloria, nyame nhyira wo say yetumi ma wo eni da so wo hu ye mpe no we nya di da so. Gloria nyame nhyira wo ai o say good work done. Mariama Kamara, in fact, if I continue, I may not end. So let me pause here. As time goes on, I'll still continue greeting you all of you. But all on board, please. Happy New Year and welcome to the show. It's good to see you all. It's good to see you. And today we have good news. Like you said, if you had come earlier on to listen to Lawyer Patrick, you realize good news in Kwan and Yedi Shafinasi. Many ajia me free create me. Yeah, Lawyer Patrick, Tama Ochre Mono. Ubo sa birth certificate to evidence your case say wona womba nti no wo de application na nana minim say wo san kan so say sisi a no 2009 no ye call digital nti no se ye wo akwala na please I've not opened the phone line yet nti no mami just 2 minutes why na me be a telephone or na metumi abwe mu bisa mo question. I've sent it already.
No, I haven't received it. I spoke to you yesterday. I haven't received it, and I'm sorry.
Sorry. Sorry about that. Okay. It's here for Miss Ramo open ni way no link no na ono so eti. I will do so in a minute. Oh, they mo fan chemi why. Now what was I even say? Yes, ntina me bisa question is say best set na dodo na ya wo mo ansa na sa digital ebe. se wode kochra wo kan se first na ya no mo ngintum enti se ukita pink ne still na eno na wo kwa use a ubetumi use ana se ti se wode ko omoma san ye ne digital na ansa na ubetumi use mpacho ho no na ehia me ena afen so no se wo yes our application na say at what time say wo parent na wo yes our skill worker route wa bedu krom ha ansa na wo show those evidence to say wo de wo man ba be kan ho na say abrea na oji course na wo visa application na oho na say wo show those evidence no ansa na ni ye di nkwala na kan wa ma wa ba mpacho ho no manti asi nti utumi chechem ho yi kakra be me de kakra mpacho adaroma.
Okay, great, Manye. Nti, yeah, you wore pink birth certificates from the old days, you know. Se o koje passport ebe hia se obekwa koje the biometric one no ansana watimi akoje o passport no. So in any event no, esese wo de sa pink birth certificate no call birth and death registrar ho na omo eye nsatraye edema o se odi adanse sa ampasa oye Ghana ni sa birth certificate eye o birth certificate na o kyerɛkyerɛ sa nneɛma ni nyina wie a ombe ma o eye biometric birth certificate they are exchange the owo eye pink one no. We've seen instances omo wo eye pink one and the biometric one ubetimi use both of them. However, the insisanya abane say esese obia was a biometric birth certificate nibi. So which means say pink one na esese o de ko Ghana aban ho na oye nsachare na otimi maw eye new one na ya no. There's a reason why aban eye sa said the bear ye betimi a capture data na ye hu omo asebe omo ye Ghana for Emma and ase Ghana adehye prekope na yetumi ehu sansunsuan omo a ye wo omo na omo awofo ye Ghana for nti omo ye Ghana for ene sa neman esese ehu sa neman. That is why aban aye sa nhihye no said the bear ode be hye yen system no mu ekena ama security aba your system no mu te se ne ehun wa ha no o koje visa aban se ye de visa ne be ma wa je se waba ama ya your fingerprint aba wonsa no a capture sa data no including wenim ansana ye de sa visa no e de amount eno boa e secure yen e wo kwan bebre so nti sa na yen so ya ban ayen hyehye e de ato se esese ye nyina no yetumi efa saa kwanya no so na wo koje o passport a esese wutumi eye biometric so e de kan na ye capture saa data no na ye de to ho dachi asemunti nti saa na tie esese wo ye saa de no so wo pink one ni bia obetumi akọ na akoye new biometric one. After all, you need that to do your passport nti yen hye no so. Now with say all provided information when you are applying or after you've arrived in the UK, problem. What normally happens in the so wo your application now as the main applicant, your babies are relationship status. Into relationship status, either so you're single, either so you're married, either so you're civil partner, and also you're unmarried partner. Into one na all say okay, my worry. Into my worry. Then the form will further ask you ukunu and answer we ni din any ni date of birth. So then we know from the onset say who you be a wawari. The form normally does not ask about enkwalano. It doesn't mean say enkwalano entimima because omo ye wo madia then ombetimi aba. Either say onu mu nyina e babom and answer ombeba aba beka ho after wo waba no ubetimi aye se wo ko akosubmit with documents na not necessarily say o de sa documents no ebeka ho because you don't need that. The wo here wo evidence na after why your application no the checklist no ebeka se fabra no nti bibi to say certificate of sponsorship even though checklist no krano doesn't ask you, but yes ubetimi the account ebia na adwumara no kra no ama contract of employment ubetimi the account the chese wo English language meet requirement no you say at least B1 wo degree a obekwa akoye actors na wayɛ comparability report ɛde aka ho anaaso sɛ wobɛyɛ IELTS level B1 I think sɛ manya akyerɛkyerɛ mu bebree how a wobɛtumi apaase saa ɛyɛ English no nti ɛno mu no nyinaa yɛ documents a wo applicant no wode ka ho de akɔ once you been granted no na o dependents no ɔmo kɔyɛ ɔmo application na then they will provide for instance our husband and answer our wife the marriage certificate obe provide wo course na ye dia ma wono obe provide o visa na ye dia bo o passport mu a ekyere se ampa se ya ma sa visa no as a skilled worker no obe provide no so e dia account any a copy of your passport any on one documents aka bear in mind say esese mu nyina mo ye criminal report from a krobia watena so for more than 12 months including Ghana esese your report nti whether say oye dependent husband and also oye dependent wife esese oye sa report ni bi e de count we no ne niema eye key evidence esese obetimi de account to submit application no manye.
Yule Patrick medase wacheche mu ama me ni agete for me nkwa me mfa platform no why obi a start bo me subo wa hadada me sremo me bebie telephone lines no na wo so wetumi afre na we bisa question bia owa opese obisa say ye sha ase ekwa wie ye kwan a obefa so e na afenso no it's not necessarily say embia a topic a ye ka ho asem no eno a na so obisa won sem nte eno dem questions in the doors but senior lawyer Patrick nso atra say no ato aso mu yi ankasa but embia na bibi eti wadwen chima obetumi still abebisa question is open say nam immigration home family law and nam bia na even Ghana chrome law kra obetumi abebisa na yi wa no nti mebie telephone lines no studio lines na obetumi di afre no 0208 1231016 and our phone so 07399208468 ehia papa na wafre ofre na obi wo so a don't worry ana asembia bebia wo no ntumi emfre enkasa bomodian na fasa na ma we so betumi akọ WhatsApp na weja voice note e wo WhatsApp ho no se ne a obemia microphone icon no na weja message tietietia just 1 minute per enough na weja message no ho ye bebo ama lawyer etie na weyiwa no enti eno nso wo ho e wo sa na ma so 075 afenso se wo frɛ na me pick wo call na ya na one mute ana se we lower gadget kra wo tie program no e free so no we lower ne kakra ya na ma ye feedback a enye pleasant e ma ye enti no we lower no na we bisa wasem no sorry titia na yekoyenim na menya me first question wa ha no first caller wa ha no official pa ma me papa o wa homa so pacho mayente wonka ansa na me bisa me so me question mayente wonka paso ka se free sorry
ayati pacho me mamu official pa lawyer Patrick pacho mamu official pa
afin commissary
pacho me ka se fi London
okay
pacho masema kwa mpese mbisa ma banaf bako
okay
pacho mayati na opeso bisa se wadawroma opesan ko ba hetenke ni binam pacho a
okay
mbuebu on ma mutum da bo na ma we na koma mayati wankasa pacho
yo pacho emwa ho na ti se ofre echire na edi ho asem edi ho nkomo why
okay pacho se no so de nchen wi a na we de pacho e koma lawyer we de pacho madam fu ba ko ono so student na ode baye na the student no na nko person ko switch ba o switch na share code no enye adwuma nti no obi se obeso okoye security card no na in case no ko security card na e show say ni friend say share code na enye adwuma no e be ya na no person because obeso be ya like okwa shi ni sika ile mekache ni say en ko na media mekache ni say enye because of o check share code na enye because ebia abelenke home office na me dem lawyer enti no o timpa cho ba
so we na no so ho ade na tre say ni student we no enye valid biom sponsor na yi ni din na sponsorship na free so ema emre na betwem ama sisi anya adwuma biom on say ansa na lawyer Patrick beba be Canadian ma menka kakra on say student no say nyame ya madom na monya visa na mo ba na say unim say wo sha ase no school fees na enda form when it ho obeko school na mom school fees na enda form na anase sebio nipa ko a obeboa wa ma wetua ka o school fees no mbia na bibi esi. There are so many instances into no untumi entua school ne so biom enye bone obetumi aswichi na mom entwentwen so se school no tro se bra na mbia wo nkọ wo onim se wo nkọ wo so a wo mfie omo a ombeka akire home office for say wo kan se wo be school na mom wa amba nti omo de omo yom sponsor na free wo so se wo ye lucky a home office be tro aka se sisi a no sponsor no onim obiom nti de na wo ye wo ho wo pe sponsor foforo ana se wo be kofie wanya lucky nso na wenya sa question na letter na be o say we no yama 1 year na nti still like valid ubehu a ukọ akọhwehwe share code na enye adwuma eba ni sa wa be ye illegal na sa program ye wo isu wo ye illegal eye den ti se wo visa bi wo mu ansana but enye visitors visa nso ansana ebetumi aye edi aboa nti question a obisa se obetumi se ombehu so omonhu everything is digital udin pie wo baby a ekọ baby and especially local security when it comes to the security services ewo krom ha it's a very huge thing. It's not enyan kwanchan ade enti so mo ye o background checker omo ye to the core of the home office ansa na cry grant o sa security card no enti no me nim ne opese la Patrick mpacho magin sam ne kakra but pese won so one o de no so eka homa me nua be me mpacho.
Okay, great. So, Manye, I think, sir, you said, you know, most of the things are in mechanical. However, the Amedebe County say, office or problem, then it's best to say, obe pinching an expert. Now, what shared needs mu edia mano. It may be the case, the all, you know, or ye be wrong. Into your better so acquire maybe a share code number. But, you know, spend some time, see an expert, na only nedin komo, na onfa, onosusu neni enhwe. Second eye, na onhwe mu se, enokrase ebia, o visa no, ewu, and also say ebia, generating the share code no, ye bibia, onye ni ye, eninti na wonsanka. Then you have your peace of mind. But what na hona visa no wu it becomes very difficult. Na afina osa ko nante ahwehwe other route ubetimi aswitch edia koso. Sometimes maybe the case is say go back to Ghana now sa eko ye bibia foforo now sa ba. Eno no sa no yete a me especially it breaks my heart because I didn't know we go through all of these processes any difficulties. Now about do hanum. Now we do ha bia small fee bia ubetimi etuama expert na wagye nim de na dwenkyere ntino obetena ho ama officer na wo because ama say kojo say saa na kofi ye ne de saa na yaw ya ne ye ne de oni yaw enye pe ntino entimi nka say yaw eyi ni ti punk e fata no nti usu yu ti punk a ebe fatal bia wo yu de kid and player eno na ebe fatal the 80s guys will know kid and play manye.
Yo, Papa, yeah, that's why.
That's it.
Fufro. Nampacho, wa ma pickle no. Hold on 1 minute, mommy. La Patrick, and then pese me ma a fair play pa ewa hunting ye faba kwa na ya kaba konso ewa platform ne so. Enti na yenya be maybe a bisa cadet Fearon or say can a builder also get a work visa, or is it only for people who want to school or have a degree in Timpacho or have degrees in Timpacho? The question no ye bet to me yina no kakra sana ya ma yen kola no so dear.
Okay, yes, Mr. Fearon. Into the skilled worker route, no, in you manner was a dorsum. Into you have to go online now. I search shortage occupation list, and it will show you the list of professions what ubetimi apply. And what special skills be now it falls under the construction route now, yes, but me apply. You don't need to have a university degree to do it. However, you will be required to demonstrate that you meet the English proficiency requirement, at least at level B1. That you'll be required to do. What degree, it makes it a lot more easier for you, because all you would need to do, let's say, obey comparability report with actors, which used to be Eunice. Yes, into enona oye. Say enona, then you know, say at least what crosses our head, no, because passing the English language, no, sometimes no, very difficult for some people. Even though I been why a degree across, no, not to do English requirement, we know now a bit difficult. Until that is why I can say degree a lot more easier. But who need degree, it doesn't stop you from doing it. Who will be our school, our GCA, GCSE, and also say university degree from UK. Again, that will qualify you for the English language requirement. No matter.
That's good. Yeah, that's it. Odo for one maso mpacho obetumi. Mariama, onya ho afre why na ubisa o question. O si can I have a question please? Pacho odo for one maso. Ye friend say na o kasa friend.
Me kasa friend landing. Me mama fisher pa.
Afin kom besa yan papa.
Mpacho me quick question me say me worry Eunice.
Okay.
But mo am call to Eofi, but man can't try me here no.
Oh.
And as I say, me was settled status because in Kuala no penina at the 13 and at the ordinate so at the 11. So say me pese me for mom bra. Me nim say me be mo catch me Eunice here ABR. Me no benya problem kakra bi. So peninsula are fine, but so one peninsula me pese me for Kuala no bra. Because me document one you know what say the passport. Let me be a abra onim. And I say, man, you fat aquano so I'm kasa with my settled status, no may ya more. I find bench on a mefasum, Pacho.
Yo, papa, na mo bisa question bisa no e wa ho manu say na me sresre kakra. Esenti yan to for sem pacho we asresem yan to for say ya bra onimu ana. It's not right, isn't it? Enti yan to for say ye bibia enye right. Oyere no. However, no near o bisa say wa obetime gina o skills settled status ne so dia yan de genuine question a obisa me. Enti meto ne nyina mala apart be ya na mo bisa nsem bi say na mo hu kwan a first why? Because I will not advise wrongdoing. What may I say? Sanity. Yo, la patri pacho adaroma.
Okay, so yeah, that's the man. Yo, nti chief mpacho. Nti madam, oda so ne wo ho ana.
After a minute that's all because on same problem awo mu kakra. But sometimes me no bobo atem no. And I can say only the fan ho. Say me wo akola make me akoko wo baby am fan ho. So me who say I have to open it to her.
Exactly.
But me until me person me country but me feel say me catch on peninsula what am I going to do? And then I mommy
Okay. So this is my advice to you, senior. Because you know, madam, a breaking ice no kakradia mano. Perhaps you have a bit of you know, a boat hole to go into na wako kawasem. Until ubetimini madam aka say yes, why am from so kakra na onfanchao. Started from that tangent. Na kachen say mfumso awaye ni. Se udi BBC no de wo ho ni na esan se mososo ma preso na bibia ma no ebeya nka omma kwan na omo Ghana no eyemu nyina mo ware a mabeye honam baako ne ma eye wo ma eye ne ma na nka nkwala no emmeka monsa awa ha na enigye mrafie na nka yedi bronya mu nyina mote dining table ho ene momma na mo enjoy Christmas turkey, any Christmas dinner. A very lovely. For Sanche Shano tour. Oh, qua, and found some pine co, and ma a cro. Baby be a very nice. Oh, copacho. Into Connie. Yes. That's right. It's no, yes, son, man. Oh, yeah. then you bet me amanaba. But so I'm peninsula akwenya on your settled status no, but difficult, and that is why I think say Madam dear no easier route.
They need difficult because me about sole responsibility no na me share say yeah omo ma no Ghana no bia omo mpene ana say me
Masa bra office
Enti brana yendi nkomo na yen sorting out. I think say enye difficult into bra office na yensiesie na yen fan kola no mra because this is opportunity for you ukoye under the immigration rules now sikano dawson and a threshold no very high very difficult EU dear no it's still available, you're still together, you can do it, so come, let's work.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, that's so I share program ne there.
What's it?
Master share program ne mami. Me who say what share?
Yeah, Matthew. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Bye bye. You had a forward muscle. But Jinaso ba koma me why na me bisa Mpacho Jinaso mami 1 minute why Jinaso mami na yo Mariama me twen wo bisa so betime bisa question bi ntino bomodin na fabra me wa question back ala Patrick and let me see me share nti me fa call back ana mienu ana ma bo yen we ni so kakra we see good morning my beautiful, can you please thank Lawyer Patrick for me for assisting me in getting my visa. God bless him so much and your program. Nyamensha Jimaima Anan na kasano. Inti question is Mariama Bisa said, my sister is overstayed. She's pregnant for a British citizen. My problem, I don't hear Ghana language. Please, can you please explain? Oh, okay. So according to Mariama Kamara, she's asking lawyer to explain how best her sister who is pregnant but overstayed her visa with a British citizen. What are the opportunities for her? Until Lawyer Patrick, if you can explain that in English for her for me.
Okay, so Madam Mariama, thank you for listening to us. We're grateful that even though you don't understand the Ghanaian language, you're still in tune and listening. We suppose you've been doing this for a little while and your question has just come up. And so, yes, we're more than happy to assist in answering your sister's question and put her dilemma to bed. Now, this is what it is. Because your sister has overstayed her visa, she's become an overstayer, so to say. Now, because now she is pregnant, and you say she's pregnant for somebody who is a British citizen or settled in the UK, what that means is that once the child is born, or the children are born, I don't know how many there are in that tummy there. So once the child is out, that child becomes a British citizen automatically under the Nationality and Immigration, the Nationality Act, 1981, Section 1. The child becomes a British citizen automatically. And this is irrespective of whether or not the child obtains a passport, because this child acquires that citizenship automatically. So from birth, or even whilst the child is still there, this child is a British citizen. Just that we want the child to come before we can attach that right to the child, or that privilege to the child, if you'd like. So yes, once the child is born, the child becomes a British citizen. And because you are a parent or a mother of a British citizen child, or a qualifying child, you'd be able to make an application under the immigration rules as a parent of a British citizen child. That would help you to obtain your stay here in the UK. What you would get is a 2.5 years leave to remain in the UK. And then you can subsequently renew it after every 30 months. Now, if you get your first stay and you begin to work, you may be able to switch from the 10-year route, because your initial visa, because you don't have status in the UK, will be on the 10-year parent route. Once you have obtained your first leave and you start working, you can demonstrate that you meet the other requirements, including English language and maintenance. You may be able to switch from the 10-year route to the 5-year route, which will make your stay here a lot more shorter, and then you could reach indefinite leave to remain in a shorter period. So this is what you should be looking forward to. Now, if you live with your partner, i.e. the other parent of this child, then the consideration and the starting process will be a bit different. What they will do is they will begin to consider if you would meet the partner route requirement. But bear in mind, you wouldn't meet that. So then they will drop down to the fact that it will be unreasonable and it will be harsh for them to say, go back home and apply, because there will be exception and insurmountable obstacle for asking you to go back because of the child. And so you'll be able to still apply and stay in the UK. So either way, your position is still very, very, very good. What we are praying for is safe delivery. Once the baby is out today, I think you're secured and you should be very, very joyful and thankful to God. Mariama.
Wow. Yes, Mariama. So your question is being answered. If you are British and you score a goal in France post, your goal is still a British goal. And because of that, France will accept it. All right. So Patrick Kola so my until Patrick referee my
London.
yo, mami. Your official panso.
I think I'm saying na fisa sia na nyame aye dia yehwehwe nyina ama.
Sa. Enkwani yeso.
Ane lawyer pattern so. Na me were 2 questions wrong. Me try say me can me na achi.
Yo.
First one is in reference to statement there or make here make a clarification on it.
Okay.
And you know, me the school na buy.
Right.
And me according to unkrata no, e school there no, and the boom. And me ba ha say my best son. Me say fan no ya mama me card no. But me according to unkrata no, ye nya hwu mu ye mfa bibia embo mu ma me ye. And you know, me ye na me kwa na me ye. Say e ba ne say me pese me de ko fa obi free fee ba. O make his reference say there was say odi ade na ebo me akontu nkrata ni mo no ekre I say me was anything say in this case I mean it ade no akontu nkrata ni mo no meye den oba nipa na ofisi ba no obeye den na den na wode be kire I say me was ade no apart from card na wo de man no
yo
and secondly no me be say no benya omumushe enkofo no di and ameye ame nipa na wo sesama na me bi ntimi ne nya adwuma but onene ho na metumi aye don hwere ediasa ne etianan ne nyina ewo ho no mo metumi akoye paasa me de so but akoba se me ntimi ne nya adwuma no se me koye don hwere ediasa ne don hwere edianan ne wo baby fufura enko se fresh dia because because ya juma no baby e won say me dis kan kokoma dia wo ye ade ne ma no na ono so eye dia wo se oye
ti ho no fra ho ntuma mesrew enka sa ewo ahoma ne so mesrew ani die mo
platforms be monitor enye sa na se dia me fi ho no mo
okay
enti the question is say me say enti no eno sa no eden na ewo ho a metumi aye.
Okay. Yo, Law Patrick be you are no, but who you nso a obetumi afre na ma we na me no edi nkomo why? 07596620154. But you offer me after 12 I met me no edi nkomo why? Okay, Law Patrick, Wadaroma.
Okay, Miniaba, thank you very much. I think it's a very important question. Now, the SSC Shannon near. Now, because the student visa ne buy, ebia afi na ho kan ni no, o kwa ware no. Nti o ba no na ebia unim ne dada. Nti unim ne dada oni na ebia hihye ho. Ba na mo ware e na o de buy. Still ano mo relationship no e wo ho. Nti ubetimi a kire say yes, more relationship because the requirement is say utimi kire say nipa no wahu no mo wo anyonkofa bi e wo ho. Nti ubetimi a kire sa afi na makwa ware. Assementi mo relationship no opese obeka ho na wo ba no na onye ukunu onye wo ho kani nti wa amfa na amba ubedu yesusu no wasesa from a student visa status no aswitch to health and care visa eno na wo so sisia eno no en stop se obekwa akofa ho kani no ene naba then se wo make application na the sesa wutimi kire se wo main applicant no wo sponsorship o sponsorship no still no edaso valid wo honum a ode ye adwuma enti no yes wo sa course no wo ho a ye adwuma yes say home office echo check ya umbehu say ampase owo course na umbehu so say ampase ya ma visa under that route no into o biometric card na ye dia ma wa eche say o ye skilled worker no ubetimi e de copy e de ama ye nua be ma na say ya contact no na ode no aka ho aye na application. It's only where ya ma skilled worker visa no from Ghana na wa ba bedu ha o bae wa beje o biometric card nti say o se o ho kani no e be ka ho a then you are able to provide sa vignette na ye de ebo passport no from Ghana no including even a biometric card na e di adanse say yes ya ma visa under that route no and I say on that under that category no say be ya ebetimi di adanse. So yes, they will check that. The problem I have with the okan ye kan ho the fact said o say nipa na wama wo course no sisia no as a problem wo ho. Say problem wo ho then you have to be a bit careful because or withdraw a course na which means uni inyina so bia. Yes, course na ye de ma no. The main provider employer no and you expect to say oni ni be ye adwuma. Even though ubetimi a part time on the side no. Of course no is based on sa employer no. Nti say oni ni enye adwuma biom no or withdraw no course it means say wasesa no ebetimi a problem. Nti say problem what either say obe resolve problem no and also say obe switch it to another employer na wenya course for asembia any ho. So yes then there'll be a bit of a problem. So bear in mind say only main provider now all shows to see no a problem ebe here say mobile resolve and also say obe switch it immediately and also say whereas you know bibia to send a problem bia anyhow and say obetimi apply for a partner to come no yes obetimi aba obedu a visa no de aka no saa bi na ye be ma no say less than 6 months it may be the case of omo man biometric card name man visa no there but then when you are applying na only na apply abom until yes obetimi apply na aba but say oh switch here then you have to switch together with a partner no so ba. Okay, I think say you are muted man.
Saa nea ye no say ne way no ekọ mo a few questions was so na mre no nso so asom ye ha adwen o na ye wo we nso voice note wa ha o say me boy no ma no na afi de ye nhwe questions kwan ya be fa so a ye be answer them ti ye ntie we so.
Hello, good morning, Manya T. Good morning, Lawyer Patrick. Mamo, Happy New Year. If I chose, person bisa say, so be a you ni na only settlement or her. Only pre-settle a status or just or a you ni. Obeti me, I don't know, abba, a ha, and son or baba pay sponsorship na. Me pa mucho mo start na man share that name maso enti no pa cho se lawyer betimi a kyereke mu a obetimi abewura mu ene ne yiri nyina ansa na op sponsorship me that's it.
You like Patrick question idea yeah bisa say those times na nyina na ye crop for more here Brexit nsem yo la Patrick wadaruma then you be catch ma me penny.
Okay. Enti say ye nua ba ni ye brother no a omo ye EU for no. Say o ma UK ama ye hu omo so omo to UK since December 31st 2029 which means omo miss out because ya close door no ansana. Na nka say omo timi che say omo wa ha sa time no. That would have been fine. But to say ne on ken min susuye ne say na omuni ha anaso po ebia afekura na mpo European passport no omo saka ye ta hu bisa eno no de e kire se wa miss out ye deadline na ye set ye no nti yes sanity a untimi emeka se uye EU ni na ubewura ha ansana wa beye switch no to a skilled worker because one must time no you can only come on a visit you nim say ukuta visitor visa so now ba untimi switch it to any other category. Nti the ombetimi an say ombehwehwe sponsor no from aha. Now Oma apply from a krona omo was no e free ho e aba instead. Omo ba omo mienu nyina ne emofra no ebetimi free ho e aba. Nti no saa e na sese omo ye. But say omo beba ha with the EU passport no say nye ha no omo dada there, then it would not be possible to do this, manya.
Yo, Lea Patrick, we dear me yet now so mrenso na yedi edwuma nti no. Nam yen radio no 11 bopa or say switch it to another thing. However, we are still on Facebook and YouTube. Nemo yen to me enter us. So I know I've got a few questions here. I don't know if Lea Patrick will permit me just ask just one of it, one pay. Because time is up and the office too it's full of people. We need to go and attend to them. Hen Vlad. And Vlad, or nothing, maybe Sunny dear last. You say, take her. Oh, David. Sandra also I say, my husband got a skilled worker visa this year to the UK. Can he come for me using his skilled worker permit? And please, what is the procedure he has to go through? Sandra, where they be home? Where they say, Bla Patrick answer crowdada. Call me na yembwa na be home office na yembwa kwan obe fasha obe why. Me my lawyer Patrick and kasa wo ho nkra. Lawyer Patrick, say aha na edi dwumedie no ebeba. So I'm going to invite our sister Deborah to summarize the whole program for us before we draw the curtains.
Good morning, viewers. I hope we have all learned something, and Happy New Year to all of us and everybody watching. So today we talked about, do I need to show sole responsibility to travel with my children on the skilled worker route? As Lawyer Patrick explained to us, sole responsibility is something you have to prove as part of making an application under paragraph 297 of the immigration rules. As he said, the threshold is really high. You essentially need to show that whilst even being here in the UK, you're still looking, you still very much haven't relinquished your responsibility as a parent. So it's a very high threshold. However, with the skilled worker, for example, health care visa route, the threshold isn't as high and difficult to attain. All you need to do is show that you have the skilled worker visa. If you're bringing your spouse, you need to be able to show relationship. So marriage certificate, civil partnership certificate, for example. If you're bringing your children, again, you have to show that, or you have to prove that they are your children. You have to prove relationship. So DNA evidence, a birth certificate. You also have to show that you take care of your child, so school reports, anything of the sort. You have to also show maintenance. So the applicant needs to be able to show £1,270 in their account. Their partner needs to be able to show that they have £285 in their account. So all of this needs to be in your account for a period of 28 days. Again, he mentioned the immigration fee. It's reasonable, up to 3 years is £247 per person. So this is a little I will have to say in regards to the topic today, and I hope that we have all learnt something. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Deborah. I think this is the hour I will draw the curtains to a close. Mejidi say near ya church munyina no monsa aka na lawyer Patrick Mpacho last words go how be my answer na ya sorry na so akwa.
Okay, manye. So my last words no you know, still dwelling on the fact that your health and care visa no, yeah, be a review. We don't know what is in store for us. So who will be in term. So opese ode akontaba fanebra. Opese ode minua ba fanebra. So opese ode nkwala na ba famo bra. Ansana review bia ebekoso bia no akoso. Because ye nim in satraya eba. And you know, yempese bibia be take here by surprise. Until yen go ahead of ourselves and do what we have to do so that bibi bana ebia draconiana and co affect so much. Not just say ya jump da. And no, and I mean to ya dream. At the moment, you know, it is one of the easiest ways to come and settle in the UK legitimately into the eboa. And I obasuswa obeba no na ejuma da ho twen. Obia wababia majority of the people that have entered nim say oba most of them obedu ena adechi a ebu okra na de natena car anim na wa sha ase ye adwuma. So you come in, you start earning the next day. Absolutely amazing. So about the partner route afi na obeje national insurance number akoyo here adwuma se obenye bi se unye bi, but we there adwuma no na afa obeba no na wadwuma no wo ho. Ese se adwuma no ma wo akatua up to a certain threshold, at least £20,480 the least. Ebi wo ho a omutua more than that. So obi a afi na wo ba UK fresh. Now waketua already is above £20,000, you know. You can imagine enema obetimi aye say oye adwuma we 6 months a. And you say health and care industry ni mususu adwuma no wo ho. Obi wo ho asabi obetimi akɔhye adwuma mu ebi wo 3 days, 4 days, 5 days kra na onko fie or ye adwuma because the need no for nipa se ombeba be ye adwuma e wo ho. And we are really struggling at the moment. Inti ebe hia se yebetimi explore sa route no na ya nam so aba because oba be ye adwuma adwuma no wo ho. Inti no you start earning as soon as you come in. Inti that is, you know, one good thing about this visa route no. Inti yan hye so na yan explore na ye nuanom a teacher for no so a nyame ayemadom mako school awie no 1st of February no route no is starting. Again, we should explore that because another good thing eba be boa ebema ye nyina ye ho ahenhan na emu mesre se mamu ma ye nyina ye nwane mfiri Ghana ye mo ase ebi beka honum na ya boa ye mpanimfo ama oman no baby edubia ombetimi ahyehye ne yie. I know say UK say oni ye nhyehyɛ na yetimi exporting nurses for no kakra de aba na wa ma ye bibi kakra ne nyina boa but mamu ma ye nyina ye nwane ehia say Ebibeka to build our own nation. Man, thank you so very much for handling us this morning. I know you haven't been particularly well. We're wishing you good health and the best of the year and everything that you do. We're wishing KT Consort all the very best. We're wishing you more business. We're wishing the supporters of this program and our business all of the very best for the year that we've just entered in. God bless you, man.
God bless you too. Oh, many but yeah, tomorrow the community and the law is coming on. So those of you that I wasn't able to pick up your questions or read your questions, please, I'll transfer them tomorrow for you. On community and the law, our brother Oriku from Pong will be the host, and the questions the man will be bisa wo ho e de amamon. Make a date with us. E wo ho nom. So na a quick reminder, KT Consort, we are back. Business as starting. Register with us. Say, okita degree no mpo na opese. O convert ethics na. Yewo and she share with the home officer. Yetumi ye ma on tem until we to me the abrayan so near yama. Opese outro English non so say Trinity College dear no B1 on so na be hu she say be a wo ho ope 1 to 1 tutorial cry yetumi bom ma on da krope okwa na dem umpe we na opede. Just approach KT on 075-966-20154 and all those problems, God's grace na be to me asolve be at the amount. Yedamase mediani manyeti na obi se opemi hu because watemenka hu nim nipa ko afi on trust him crampo say I exist misremo me exist pa anti me amini adom nenti nyame sra ye nyina da se ne yebesen hia me mamu bye bye.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road at Seven Sisters in North London, N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to Seven Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.